Hey, it's Tim from Jeep of Columbus. Today we're picking up a customer's vehicle for service. They scheduled their appointment online for an oil change and multi-point inspection. The keys are inside, so let's get started. Now before we leave, we're going to give the vehicle a quick wipe down. Let's get it to the dealership. We've arrived at the dealership. Let's get it in there.
Let me do it, Sandy.
Where's it at? Oh, I was trying to pull it the wrong way. Okay, service is done. Now let's get it back to the customer's house. We just arrived back at the customer's house, but before we let them know we're here, let's give it one last wipe down. That does it for the service on this vehicle. The customer scheduled everything online. We came, picked it up, got the service done, brought it back, and they paid all from the comfort of their own home.